welcome back to Custom Tom. Right, a few valves to adjust. Let's have a look through these. So, get rid of the dirt first. So I've checked them 2 or 3 times. As you can see, this the third time I've got the same results. I've got 2 sets of gauges that I could use, so I did that. What I'm doing now is going through them. I'm happy with the results. I'm now going to start taking the engine cams out. So making sure it's timed up, making sure you remember what it's timed to. And this one is time to number 1 TDC, is it? I think so. As you can see, yeah, it is. These are lobes here pointing outwards, and then ones are pointing outwards. So that's number 1 TDC. If it was number 2, they'd both be pointing outwards there, but they are not. They were pointing inwards. So TDC on number 1. Now to remove these things, what you want to do first really is down here. Can you see? Nope. There, you can see there. There is the chain tensioner. I'll bring you around, eh? Got it? So first, I'm going to take the centre out first, all the way out, 12mm. It should have a crush washer on, same as your sump plug, I believe. And just nipped up, so you just take it out. But be careful because there's a spring and a little plunger thing in there. So as you can see, I'm just undoing it. There we go. Now you've got this spring to come out, left it, push it downwards towards the bottom of the engine so you got it out there. And as you can see, there's the washer, same as the sump plug, and plunger does go all the way through. So you've got that out, pull that to one side. And then you've got your tensioner to get out, and 2 8mm pins that go in there. It is a bit fiddly in the well, it's in the engine. Yeah, the engine's in the frame. Things are out the way. Took the part down the side of the engine, that one down the side of the engine, and that one. And this, I'm going to have to just put a bit of string or something around it. Keep it out of my way. Put some tape on. That's alright. Right then, so what you need to do now is take the cams out. To do that, you start from the outside to the inside, and there, just to get them all, crack them off. Don't turn them too much, so start do round, and to tighten them up, obviously that way round. So I believe they are 12mm, yep. No. 10. So they're 10mm. And they're 10mm. Oh, there we go. 10mm bolts. They aren't stretch bolts, so we can reuse these. And then obviously start from the outside. See, I'm doing them loads. Quarter of a turn if that on these for now. Into the inside. And the middles. And then go back to the outsides again. Now we've got all these out of the way, I'm going to take this thing out road, which is the chain guide. Checking it each time. I'm going to keep all these pins in to make sure they go back into the same. Holes. Oh, they're just popping off. So that comes off in one go. I'll put that to one side. It says on top in, so obviously that's intake. Now we've got an exposed cam. I'm going to leave the exhaust side on. Right, so on this camshaft, you've got a dowel on between number 1 valves and between number 4 on the insides. What I'm doing here is I'm just lifting the chain off of the cam itself. Open that down, so there's the intake cam. You can see there's N and X. Yeah, someone's definitely been there. Just go check it over now. Any scratches, anything that looks a bit untoward, you don't want to put back in. That looks pretty decent to me. Right, so put that there with the on a rag. There we go. These here are the buckets, which just pop out like so and reveal the shim inside. Right, so I'll keep that in there for now. So I can keep everything where I want it. So the ones I want to look at are the intakes. This one, I'm just going to put a mark on. Oh, doesn't come out. That one. That one. That one. Is that right? Yeah. So I've got on the first one, got 0.12mm, 0.13 and 0.12mm, and the lowest tolerance is 0.15, and the rest are 0.15, 0.1515, 0.15 and 0.15. So for me, I have been told that people have been setting them to 0.18, which I think, if I've got enough, I will do. Right then, seen us for this far in. I'll measure the ones I need, so it's obviously that one and that one. But to show me which ones are in. Firstly, I've got these, I've checked them against my micrometers. These are Works, these are Imperial, so no clue how you read these ones, it's odd. They're just a bit off. You can adjust them, they're just a bit off. But these are more or less accurate. So for example, yeah, 3.50. And you're reading 3.50. Where are you? 2.50, and then I'll get another 2.30 shim. These are all new shims. 2.30. So yeah, there you go. Accurate enough. I'll do one more just to keep everyone happy. Oh, then what about some? An obscure one, eh? 1.45 mil. Right there. Now 1.45 straight away. Right, so we're happy with that. So this one, take out the bucket. I'm going to do this with all of them, every single one. See if you can, because sometimes you can interchange them. You can, let's see, you can swap some over. Sometimes they get stuck in the top of the valve, where the collets are, and sometimes they come out with the bucket. So just get a magnet. Shouldn't really use a magnet, but get a magnet and pop off, and make sure you clean them afterwards. So this one is that's 3.1. Measure it a couple of times just to be sure. 3.1, 3.1. So I'll write that down. Because I've got nowhere safe to keep them, I'm just going to put them back in. See how there's a shiny side there and not there, so I'm going to put that in the right way. And do that. And when you're putting all these back together, put a dollop of oil on top. And so what you write that down and check them all now. And then put it against the chart. So, in order to get, where are we? In order to get the desired gap in, you go on your chart, ZX9R seating heat. Let's have a look through this. So, what's this? Valve clearance measurement. We've got cylinder 1 intake 1.12 there. Oh, what's it? So 1.12, which is here. And we got a 3.1 Shim in it, which is here. We need a 3.2 in. Put a 3.2 Shim in there. Is that right? Oh no, sorry. So 3.1 in. Ignore them. So you go across. You want a number 3 Shim in. 3.0 Shim. So for the first one I've got 0.15, which is there. I've got a 3.0 Shim in, just there. It says I should have a, oh wait, I'm on the wrong one, 3.0. It says no change, you see, so that's perfect.